Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, disable Ctrl, Alt, and Delete at login on Windows. Open Local Security Policy. Open Interactive Logon. Do not require Ctrl, Alt, Delete, change to enabled. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.